What is prodigy? Some call the prodigies a group of people taken under the care and guidance of those before them in preparation for their future. Others call them the bright young sparks that are greatly influenced by a champion who have gone before them. But to be a prodigy is not just about guidance or influence. Prodigies are much more. Some have gone through the testing of flames in the fiery furnace. Others have taken the path less traveled and ventured where no one else have been. They are the ones who took their dreams by their hands and allowed those before them to breathe life into it to create a brand new reality. So what is prodigy? A prodigy is someone who is willing to go through transformation, someone who goes the extra mile running after a vision, someone who is willing to stand up before the giants on behalf of their generation. A prodigy is the unquenching fire that refuses to give up against all odds. It is that voice of truth and hope rising up against the tides to make a difference so the light can shine the brightest in the darkness. A prodigy is someone who dreams, dares, and walks in their destiny, fearless in the face of opposition and adversaries. He is someone, anyone, who is willing to rise up to the call from heaven that is in their lives. Who is the prodigy? The prodigy is you and me.